Civil procedure refers to the complex and often confusing body of rules and regulations set out in both state and federal laws, which establish the format under which civil lawsuits are filed, pursued and tried. Civil procedure refers only to form and procedure, and not to the substantive law which gives people the right to sue or defend a lawsuit. Broadly speaking, civil procedure consists of the rules by which courts conduct civil trials. Civil trials concern the judicial resolution of claims by one individual or class against another, and are to be distinguished from criminal trials, in which the state prosecutes an individual for violation of criminal law.